Hi guys, it's Anirudh Sabrao here again with IEOR 190G, Patent Engineering. I'm a 3-unit student in this class, and so I have to go back and make a few extra videos since at the beginning of the class I was only making one video per week. So I'm starting at week 1 where we talked about Apple, and I thought instead of talking about the same topics I talked about 2.5 months ago, I'd talk about a new topic, something that's relevant in the news with regards to Apple. So I did a little searching on the internet and I found out that with the ongoing lawsuit between Apple and Motorola Mobility, that in fact, just 2 days ago, Motorola Mobility won a partial ruling against Apple, which said that Apple's iPhones and iPad did in fact violate one of Motorola's mobility patents with regards to 3G technology. The judge that ruled the case dismissed 3 other patent claims, but did find that this one patent was being infringed on Apple. But before we come to any major conclusions, there's still a long way to go before any enforcement or any damages are paid. So essentially what happened was there was a filing by Motorola Mobility in October of 2010 stating that Apple infringed on 4 various patents. Now after almost 2 years, finally the ITC judge, Judge Pender, did rule in favor of Mobility on one of those patents. But before anything happens, the ruling will be subject to an investigation or a review by a 6-member commission created by the ITC. So these 6 people will review the decision and sort of uphold it or sort of void it. And unfortunately, they won't come to a decision until August 23rd. So this commission, once they review it, they are the ones that actually have the power to block imports. So right now, even though that there is a ruling in Motorola's favor, nothing will actually change until the 6-member commission of the ITC backs this ruling. Now, if they do, they will decide the punishment. They will decide whether the imports will be blocked of iPhones and iPads into the country, how much, to what degree, will there be some punitive damages paid towards Motorola Mobility. All that's to be decided. And even if the ITC or this commission deems that a block or is necessary or that this ruling is valid, it is still up to review, or it can be further appealed to the appeals court, and President Obama can weigh in and either void or accept this ruling. So while this is a big win for Motorola Mobility, it is actually just the beginning on what has already been a 2-year legal battle between Motorola Mobility and Apple over one patent. So this is clearly kind of big news, and it kind of shows you what's kind of going on right now, right here in the patent, sort of boxing arena. But according to Apple spokespeople, they feel confident that they're going to have the ruling overturned because actually when this case was brought up in German courts, Apple actually won. So a bit of an update on what's going on in this case. I hope you enjoyed my input, and I'll be back with other topics in the next few days. Thank you.